Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels video without Watermark on Android. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile and then select the reel you want to download. For example, if I want to download this reel, so I'll click on the share button at the bottom right corner of the reel, and then at the bottom, click on the copy link once you copy the link. Next, open your favorite browser on your mobile and then click on the search bar and type Snap Insta Download. Then hit enter, and from the results, click on the first official link. You'll be redirected to the download page. Now, paste the link you copied into the field and click on the download button. Be sure to close any ads that pop up and then click the download video button, which is blue in color. It will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, close the browser, just open your Android gallery, and there you go. You can see your Instagram reel saved without any watermark. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.